For centuries, we've peered out at the vast cosmos, seeking answers in the distant stars and galaxies. But what if I told you there's an entire universe waiting to be discovered right here on Earth, hidden within the very fabric of life itself? A universe so small it requires a special instrument to even glimpse its wonders. This is the microscopic world, a realm of intricate structures, unseen forces, and breathtaking complexity. Today, we embark on a journey into this hidden dimension, using the power of oil immersion microscopy to unlock its secrets. Before we can set sail into the microcosmos, we must first prepare our vessel, the oil immersion microscope. This precision instrument is our key to unlocking the secrets of the invisible world. Begin by ensuring the microscope is plugged in and the light source is switched on. Just as an astronomer calibrates their telescope, we must first adjust the microscope settings. Adjust the condenser to its highest position, ensuring the iris diaphragm is open to allow maximum light to reach our specimen. This will provide the optimal illumination for our exploration. With our microscope prepped, we introduce our guide, the specimen. Carefully place the slide on the stage, securing it with the stage clips. Now, using the lower magnification objective lens, the 10x, bring the specimen into focus. This initial view is like a wide-angle shot of a new world, giving us a lay of the land before we zoom in closer. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate details already visible, hinting at the wonders to come. Like explorers choosing a landing site, we must now select the specific region of our specimen for closer examination. This is where our understanding of the microscopic world begins to take shape. Scan the slide carefully using the lower magnification, identifying areas of interest. Perhaps a cluster of cells, a unique formation, or an unexpected variation in texture. This chosen region will become our focal point as we delve deeper into the microcosmos. Having charted our course, it's time to engage the high-power objective lens, our portal to the microcosmos's most closely guarded secrets. However, before we can unleash its magnifying power, we must carefully rotate the turret to move the 10 times objective lens out of the light path. This ensures a clear path for the oil immersion lens and prevents any accidental contact with the specimen. With the lower magnification lens out of the way, a crucial step remains before we can engage the oil immersion lens. Carefully place a single drop of immersion oil directly onto the area of the specimen we've chosen to examine. This drop of oil isn't just a lubricant, it's a bridge. It forms a continuous link between the glass slide and the lens, preventing light from scattering and blurring the image at such high magnifications. Now, with bated breath, we engage the oil immersion lens. Watching carefully from the side, slowly rotate the objective lens turret until the 100x objective lens clicks into place, making contact with the drop of immersion oil. It's crucial to approach this step with caution, ensuring the lens doesn't touch the slide itself, only the oil. This delicate maneuver brings us face to face with the microcosmos in all its glory. With the oil immersion lens engaged, the microscopic world bursts into view. However, achieving a crystal-clear image requires precise adjustments. Using the fine adjustment knob, delicately bring the specimen into sharp focus. Take your time, making minute adjustments until the details pop with clarity. It's in these moments, peering through the lens at the intricate structures of life, that we truly grasp the profound beauty and complexity of the microscopic world. Our journey complete, we must now carefully withdraw from the microcosmos. Begin by rotating the 100x objective lens out of the light path, once again watching from the side to prevent any accidental contact. With the lower magnification lens in place, carefully remove the slide from the stage. Using a piece of lens paper moistened with lens cleaning solution, gently clean the oil immersion lens. Similarly, clean the slide with a tissue to remove the immersion oil. As we step back from the microscope, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the hidden universe that surrounds us. The microscopic world, once invisible to our eyes, is now revealed as a realm of breathtaking complexity and wonder. Every drop of water, every grain of sand, every living organism teems with unseen activity. Like the vast cosmos, the journey through the microscopic world is never truly over. There's always more to discover, more to learn, and more to marvel at.